Hi, I'm Eno, and welcome back to my channel. In this short video, I'm going to be showing how to go live on YouTube, on your YouTube studio or on your YouTube channel using your phone. So, in order to do that, you just need Chrome. You just need the Chrome app installed on your phone. So I already have it installed on mine. I already have it downloaded on mine. So I'll just go ahead and open it. So that this is the app right here. And then what you want to do is you want to go to youtube.com/account. So I was in that account a few minutes ago, so it defaulted to it. So once you get to that account, you want to look for that icon right here. If it's your first time, it might not show. It's like a plus sign and then like a video icon. If it's not showing, just make sure that this one is selected. The desktop site, just make sure you have a check mark in there. Okay. Now, once you have that icon right here, just click on it and then just select go live. And then that should open and give you options. On your left, you should see an option that says stream, webcam, and then manage. Before you do anything, you need to select this, but before you do that, you just want to make sure that just click on this the three dots and make sure you select desktop site on here as well. Now you'll get options. You just get the same options you normally get when you upload a new video on your YouTube channel, and you'll need to put in the some details here. So just put in a title here. Let's say let me see. Let's just say silent stream. Then you can look at the other options that are available. Just trying to scroll through my phone here. The screen is small. And then you want to select no, it's not made for kids. And those are the two options that you'll need to put in there. Once you put those options in there, just click next. Select next. Let's see here. I think there's more options. Yeah, you'll see more options here. Whether you want to go public or if you want to have it listed as a private. So if you're going public, just select public here and click done. And then let me see here. I think there's one more option, I believe. I'm not seeing it. And then here, the last thing to do is just select go live. And then now you're live. So at this point, you're live and you're streaming. You're streaming from your YouTube channel. And that's how to do it. That's how you go live on your phone. So just make sure those settings are good to go, and you should be able to go live.